Well, you're probably like a lot of people and you have a lot of empty boxes and maybe even some old gadgets that you don't need anymore because you got a new one for Christmas. A lot of people don't know that Amazon gives you an opportunity to give a second chance to all of these things you don't really need anymore, and you can actually make a little money.
You'll get the best price with its trade-in program. Kindles, tablets, media players, video games, smartphones, other devices, trade them in for Amazon gift cards. Last year's PlayStation 4 in good playing condition has a trade-in value of $220. Even this old Kindle Fire from 5 years ago that doesn't even turn on is worth $5. Accept the price, print out the label, pack it in one of the empty boxes, and you get $5 credited to your Amazon account. What about larger electronics? Well, before putting them on the curb for trash pickup, check for nearby e-waste recycling. Earth911.com lists thousands of recycling centers. Laptops, hard drives, and other medium-sized electronics can be taken to Best Buy or Staples stores for recycling. And before you break down and throw away all those cardboard shipping boxes, fill them up with things you no longer want. Then go to the website givebackbox.com. Print out a free shipping label, and the items are distributed to a number of charities. You can even get a tax deduction receipt.
So you can help out charities, help out the environment, maybe even make a little money. And you know what? It's not going to cost you anything. That's What the Tech. I'm Jamie Tucker.